Welcome to our show called Fly Like a Bird. Today our featured feathery friends are indigo buntings and goldfinches. So what do indigo buntings look like?
Indigo buntings have conical bills shaped like an ice cream cone. Their bills are a gray-silver color. An interesting fact is that they have a triangular head in breeding season.
Indigo buntings have short, rounded tails. Females are mostly brown with a little blue. Males are mostly blue with black on their wings and tail.
Indigo buntings appear plump. They are 5.5 inches tall.
Indigo buntings live at the edge of the forest. They bury seeds and insects. Males sing from treetops.
So what about goldfinches?
Goldfinches are 2 to 4.5 inches tall. They are 3 inches across.
Goldfinches eat seeds.
Goldfinches' nests are built high in a tree.
A goldfinch's nest holds water.
Goldfinch's nest takes 6 days to build. Do you want to hear the sound of the goldfinch?
Thank you for watching Fly Like a Bird. We hope you learned a lot about these special birds.
He played the songs from this book called Bird Songs. There are over 250 Northern American birds in it that you can hear their songs. Welcome to our show.
Take 2, quiet on the set.
Take 2, quiet on the set.
Fly Like a Bird, take 30. Oh man, that's a long video.